Show you guys a very quick way to make some money on your phone. So this is my home screen. Yes, these are my babies. This is my niece and my nephew, but we're not going to look at them right now. We're going to go ahead and open up my apps, and I'm going to go ahead and go to this Dosh app right here. Okay. Now that is the purple dollar sign, because this is how you're going to make at least $200 to $300 a day. Very simple, even just by shopping in store, which you will see right on this icon right here. It will find your location on the map and where you're going to make some extra money and save some money, as well as getting cash back rather on all of your purchases, as well as the in-store places and if you want to go online. And they're going to show you all of the websites where you can receive 10% cash back, 5% cash back, 3% cash back on all the places that you would normally shop at. Now, as far as the places on in-store, we have Kroger here. I know I'm a Kroger fan. I don't really do Pizza Hut, but if that's your thing, do your thing, boo-boo. Ooh. I love Grindhouse Burgers, and they have 5% cash back there. So you guys, I have already racked up and cashed out. This is what I have gotten so far recently because I just made an online purchase, and so far I've made $7.19. But you guys, that is just from shopping alone. If you are a shopper, honey, this is the place to go. There are so many different places for you to shop at. I am a beauty fiend, so Sephora is my legit situation. If I can't get it online and I can't shop for it online, there is one right around the corner from me that I can go to right off of Ponce de Leon. If you guys are in the Atlanta area, that is one of my favorite Sephoras to go to, and why not get 3% cash back on anything that you purchase there? Vitality Bowls is such a healthy place to eat at, you guys, and it's one I do believe right behind or right next to an LA Fitness. Why not eat healthy and get a membership? Like, get your life. So you can go ahead and get 5% cash back right on top of that and shed those 5 pounds, So many different places. Like I said, I'm not going to really go through all of them, but there are so many places that you can receive cash back already just by doing your normal shopping. You can also receive cash back on going on vacation. Yes, let's go ahead and make some money by booking these trips for the summertime. Who not wants to save that extra 50 or 70 bucks in their pocket? So these are automatic things that you will receive back just by going ahead and making a reservation. Like, who doesn't want to make money on a vacation? Why not? Right? Now, of course, I'm not going to necessarily go into my wallet because you'd be looking at all my coins and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the refer portion right here. So this is where you're going to make majority of your money. Now, if you would see right at the top, it says invite friends, get $5. You guys, I know you have your friends and your family members who want to make some extra money just by doing everything that they love to do. Shopping, going on vacation, down to you just inviting them to make money. Like, why not? You receive $5 for every person that you refer. How dope is that? So as if you see right now, this is my referral code, and this is the one that you're going to see right down in the description box below. So go ahead and sign up today. Use your referral code. You can go ahead and copy this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy my link. Boom. No diggity, no doubt. And so that, oh, good gracious, I'm sorry, you guys. My mom and my sister wants to go ahead and chime in right now, and I will join them in just a moment. But you can go ahead and place this on your Facebook. This is my Facebook. I can place it right on my Facebook. I can also place this right on my Instagram, which I'm going to go straight to. All of the places that you normally find yourself at this time of day. Hey, Jackie. So I'm just going to go ahead and place, I can go straight to my profile. I can go ahead and edit my profile. You can place it right in your website, as far as your website on your profile. Invite all of your friends, your family members. You can send it in a text message and all of that jazz. So you guys go ahead and sign up for Dosh today. Ooh, get yours.